Decentralized defense manufacturing. The Komodo armament high mobility production paradigm. Welcome to this strategic presentation on transforming the defense industrial base through revolutionary mobile production systems. The vulnerability problem. Centralized factories are priority targets in modern warfare. A single cruise missile strike can eliminate 100% of production capacity. Long supply chains create massive, vulnerable logistic tails. Indonesia's 17,000 islands make centralized production on Java strategically untenable. The critical question: what if the factory could follow the troops? Komodo Armament Solution Overview. What is it? Standard ISO shipping containers converted into complete weapon production cells. Scale. A 14-container fleet produces 10,000 rifles and 2 million rounds. Impact. Invisible in commercial traffic, deployable by truck, ship or air, and operational within 48 hours. 5 strategic rationales. First, target hardening through dispersal, forcing adversaries to expend disproportionate resources. Second, radical reduction of the logistic tail. The factory moves to the front line, not vice versa. Third, strategic autonomy, 80% local content, immune to foreign embargoes. Fourth, rapid surge capacity, add production nodes in weeks, not years. Fifth, field-level technological agility, design changes deployed in real time via digital transmission. The D5 assault rifle, designed for mobility. Caliber, 5.56 by 45mm NATO, gas-operated. Mass, 1.5 to 3.4 kilograms, depending on polymer versus standard version. Barrel options, 10.5-inch, 12.5-inch, 14.5-inch modular lengths. Local content, 80% Indonesian sourced. Key insight. Polymer construction enables injection molding in compact container footprint, requiring less energy and space than traditional forging. Container fleet architecture. 14-container mobile industrial base. 3 40-foot containers for rifle machining with CNC mills and Swiss lathes. 1 40-foot container for barrel production with gun drilling and rifling. 1 20-foot container for polymer injection. 2 40-foot containers for ammunition component forming with brass drawing and lead core presses. 1 40-foot container for ammunition assembly with high-speed loading carousel. 2 mixed containers for raw materials, 55 tons of rifle stock and 26 tons of ammunition components. 2 20-foot containers for infrastructure, power generation and quality control ballistics lab. Inside the rifle machining unit, a 40-foot container with 4 functional zones optimized for precision manufacturing in mobile environments. Zone A at the rear, material intake, aluminum billet storage and bandsaw. Zone B on sidewalls, dual 4-axis CNC vertical mills for receiver machining. Zone C in the center, 7-axis Swiss lathe for precision internals like firing pins and bolts. Zone D at the forward section, deburring and optical quality control. Climate control and fire suppression integrated, precision maintained in field conditions. Ammunition production line, managing explosives in 40 feet. Rotary loading carousel with 10 armored stations. Case expansion, priming, powder metering, bullet seating and crimping. Anti-static flooring, blast-vented powder magazine with 40-pound net explosive weight limit. Automated optical inspection checks every round for overall length and primer depth. Output: 200 to 250 rounds per minute. Immediate packaging for field issue. Raw materials in, combat-ready ammunition out, all within 40 feet. Logistics. Mathematics. The transport advantage. Traditional model. 26 tons of finished ammunition plus 55 tons of finished rifles equals massive vulnerable shipments. Mobile model. 26 tons of brass, lead, and propellant, plus 55 tons of aluminum and steel stock, equals compact raw materials. Result: 50% reduction in transport volume, 90% reduction in target signature. A single 20-foot container holds all ammunition raw materials for 2 million rounds. Deployment flexibility across domains. Land, standard trucks, production possible en route theoretically. Maritime, LST or barge deployment between islands, immune to Java blockade. Air, C-130 or A-400 Maymilk compatible, rapid insertion into secured airfields. Contrast, fixed factory equals zero mobility, single point of failure, workforce and maintenance resilience. 5 to 8 technicians per mobile node, CNC programmers, armorers, and munitions specialists. Decentralized expertise equals preserved institutional knowledge if one node is lost. Modular maintenance. Each hub includes support container with lathe, mill, and 3D printer for replacement parts. Predictive maintenance via open architecture CNC sensors monitoring spindle health in real time. Deterrence through indestructibility. Adversary's center of gravity analysis is confounded, no silver bullet target. Blockchain tracking ensures quality control and counterfeit prevention across the dispersed network. 5G and satellite links enable remote technical oversight from Benghazi headquarters to every deployed container. Strategic message: you cannot paralyze our sustainment. Future: the Internet of Defense Production. Every rifle receiver gets a cryptographic token at production, immutable tracking of batch, machine, technician, and conditions. AR-assisted remote support. Headquarters engineers troubleshoot field units in real time. Smart factories with predictive analytics optimize production across the entire archipelago. Blockchain ensures NATO compliance for international exports, such as 200 Eli guns to the Middle East. Comparative advantage analysis. Vulnerability. Single target versus 14 plus dispersed nodes. Setup time. 5 to 10 years versus weeks. Logistic burden. Massive versus minimal. Adaptability. Slow, centralized updates versus real-time field modifications. Deterrence value. Low, known target versus high, invisible and resilient. Strategic recommendations. Adopt containerized production for critical munitions and small arms. Invest in multidisciplinary technical training for mobile factory crews. Integrate blockchain and cyber-physical production systems for distributed quality assurance. Design future weapon systems with mobile manufacturability as a core requirement. Recognize: in 21st century warfare, an indestructible industrial base is as vital as the weapons themselves. The factory that follows the troops is the factory that cannot be destroyed.